यत्र रघुनाथकीर्तनं तत्र तत्र कृतमस्तकाञ्जलिं बाष्पवारि परिपूर्णलोचनं मारुतिं नमत राक्षसान्तकम् यत्र यत्र रघुनाथकीर्तनं तत्र तत्र कृतमस्तकाञ्जलिं बाष्पवारि परिपूर्णलोचनं मारुतिं नमत राक्षसान्तकम् यत्र यत्र रघुनाथकीर्तनं तत्र तत्र कृतमस्तकाञ्जलिं बाष्पवारि परिपूर्णलोचनं मारुतिं नमत राक्षसान्तकम्
Yato dharma, tato jayaha. Where there is dharma, there you will find success. Sri Bhakta Anjaneya Temple. Sri Bhakta Anjaneya Temple, built at Urbana, Maryland, in a vast 43 acres of land. Sri Bhakta Anjaneya, the main deity of this temple, didn't know about his own powers, for which he is known for. His intense deep devotion towards Lord Rama helped him realize his inner strength. Like Hanuman, we people to have in-depth special qualities that we are unaware of. Hinduism is not a religion, rather it is a way of life, that is Sanatana Dharma. Sanatana means a beginningless and an endless way. In Hindu Dharma, temples are symbolic representation of our human body. We too can realize ourselves by deeply devoting ourselves in all our walks of life. There is a better way of leading our life. We should find it, know it, mean it, and live it to make our life fully cherished with tons of happiness. We now moving into the temple to know ourselves deeply. Lord Ganesh. We should be mentally strong and also flexible to adapt good things in our life. The first god of Hinduism, Lord Ganesh, symbolically represents this truth through his trunk, which is bold and flexible. Lord Balaji, usually called as Venkatachalapati, the husband of goddess Lakshmi, the wealth god, who showers you with the wealth which is needed for leading our life peacefully. Lord Dhanvantri, a god for medicines, shows how important our life is and how we should preserve it. Lord Krishna, the love god, shows how you should love our karma, dharma, and even ourselves to realize the inner soul, Atma, through love. Satyam Vidatum Nijabhrutya Bhashitam. Lord Narasimha proves that when you pray with deep devotion and pure love towards God, then the God comes for you. Lord Narasimha guides us. Whenever you see the evil, you should not keep quiet. Rather, you should roar like a lion. Lord Hanuman. Power and devotion are the two words that represents symbolically the great deity Lord Hanuman. We may be great persons with greater strength, but we should be polite, disciplined, and bhakti to get success. Lord Muruga. In Dharma, it is not bothered about the age, rather it gives much preference to the knowledge and wisdom. Murugu means beauty in Tamil, The beautiful God who has immense wisdom and knowledge, who teaches even to his father. Lord Shiva, the destruction of an element only can give way for creation. Lord Shiva, considered to be the god of destruction, destructs our sinful thoughts to make a way attain divinity. Lord Parvati, the symbolic representation of a complete woman and the equal part of Lord Shiva even in the physical body, makes us understand how women are powerful and what all they can do. Lord Ayyappa, whomsoever in the world needs pure heart and stable life without ego. Lord Ayyappa, the son of Lord Shiva and Vishnu, he himself who lived a life with brahmacharyam and devoted himself fully to the Supreme Soul at a very small age. Lord Ram was the example for this dharmic equation, who lived his whole life dedicating himself fully into the dharmic way of life. Community hall. Hindu religious function is going to happen in a huge hall having the greater capacity of seats. You can avail this community hall for religious oriented functions. Residential area. SBA team is a non-profitable organization with service motto. They provide room for the devotees came from distant areas, and they are providing homes for those who are working in the temple. Library. Nahi jnanena sadrisham pavitram iha vidyate tatsvayam yoga samsiddha khalenatmani vinthati. In this world, there is nothing more purifying than superior knowledge. To give this superior knowledge to the people, SBA team makes this library with the Wi-Fi zone and with e-book internet facility. The knowledge of Vedas and the religious scripts with the various ranges of books are available in the library. Prasada stall. SBA team provides free prasadam for all the people 365 days. And you will find prasada stall in the temple. There you will get Indian foods like laddu, etc. Catering service is available in the prasada stall. You can avail this service for functions to get Indian foods with a greater quality. Temple pond. Whenever we think about purification, we think about water. The Anjana Tirtham in this temple will purify both our physical body as well as our mind. Dhyana Mandapam. Make you understand yourself deeply and find inner peace. SBA team builds a huge Dhyana Mandapam with the hymn of the Om all the time. As the Lord himself who crossed the ocean for his deity Lord Rama will now cross the oceans again to help the people in here remove their worries and to make them spiritually enlightened. Awake, arise, stop not till the goal is reached. The motto of SBA team leads to build this huge temple. Their path is sharp as the edge of a razor and hard to cross, but with one single devotion to help the people, make them to build this temple. You can avail the services for free in this temple, and you can donate for this good cause to move forward. Jai Shri Ram.